Mhm. Hello, everyone. My name is Myrnamelie Ortiz, and you're watching Eagle Rise. I'm a grad student for the University of North Texas in the Department of Learning Technologies with the College of Information, and I'm also a staff member with Counseling and Testing Services. Being a grad student can be tough, especially during these times being stuck at home. Taking some time out of your day to do stuff that make you happy, whether that is going out for a walk with your dog, working out, or simply changing clothes and feeling better about yourself will boost your self-esteem. If you're watching this, I want to let you know that you are not alone. Every student right now probably feels overwhelmed with finals, lack of motivation, so don't put too much pressure on yourself. It's okay to be serious all the time, but it's also necessary to have fun and let yourself loose, even if it's at home. Enjoy the quarantine, whether it is with your loved ones, your family members, your pets. During this quarantine, do something that you've always wanted to do. Read that book that has been sitting on your shelf. Watch that show that everyone keeps talking about on social media. Whether it is that you do, just enjoy it and keep your mind busy. Things are not pretty right now around the globe, but our spirits must remain high for this to go back to normal. Staying at home while being a student and taking classes doesn't have to be boring. It's all mental, and the more you focus on good, positive thoughts, the less boring this quarantine will feel to you. I'm very proud to be mean green. I got my undergrad from the University of North Texas and now my master's. I'm proud of what the university has done for undergrad and grad students. As a staff member, I know every department at UNT is working hard to make resources available for students. UNT is still here for you no matter what the distance of the pandemic. So please don't hesitate to call UNT Counseling and Testing Services. We are here to help you. We have a 24/7 hotline, and you can contact us, Counseling and Testing Services, on our website. You can also email us. Thank you so much for watching.